Welcome to English Practice Everyday. In today's vocabulary practice video, we will learn and practice 10 words at the upper intermediate meaning B2 plus level. After practicing, we will read a short story aloud that uses all these words, helping us understand how to use them in context. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me as we practice. 1. Tinge. Tinge. Tinge is noun and verb. As noun, tinge means a slight amount of color, feeling, or quality. Tinge means a slight amount of color, feeling, or quality. The soup had a tinge of garlic. His speech had a tinge of humor. The sky had a tinge of pink at sunset. Her smile had a tinge of nervousness. There was a tinge of sadness in her voice. Can you think of a situation where you would use the word tinge as a noun? Try making a sentence and write in the comments. Tinge as a verb means to add a small amount of color, feeling, or quality to something. Tinge as a verb means to add a small amount of color, feeling, or quality to something. Her words were tinged with anger. His voice was tinged with excitement. The artist tinged the painting with blue. The leaves were tinged with red in autumn. The water was tinged with green from algae. Can you think of a situation where you would use the word tinge as a verb? Try making a sentence and write in the comments. 2. Stilted. Stilted. Stilted is an adjective. Stilted as adjective means unnatural, too formal, or stiff in speech or movement. Stilted means unnatural, too formal, or stiff in speech or movement. The actor's performance felt stilted. She gave a stilted reply to the question. Her speech sounded stilted and rehearsed. His writing style is too stilted for casual readers. He gave a stilted apology that didn't seem sincere. Can you think of a situation where you would use the word stilted? Try making a sentence and write in the comments. 3. Realm. Realm. Realm is a noun. Realm as a noun means a kingdom or domain. Realm means a kingdom or domain. The king ruled over a vast realm. The realm was known for its beauty. The knight swore to protect the realm. The queen expanded her realm through war. Legends of the magical realm fascinated him. Can you think of a situation where you would use the word realm with this meaning? Try making a sentence and write in the comments. Another meaning of realm as a noun is a specific area of activity or interest. Realm as a noun means a specific area of activity or interest. In the realm of science, he is a genius. This topic belongs to the realm of politics. She is an expert in the realm of medicine. His ideas are beyond the realm of possibility. The book explores the realm of artificial intelligence. Can you think of a situation where you would use the word realm with this meaning? Try making a sentence and write in the comments. 4. Callow. Callow. Callow is an adjective. Callow as adjective means young and inexperienced. Callow means young and inexperienced. Her callow decision led to problems. The callow intern made many mistakes. He was too callow to handle the situation. The callow soldier was nervous before battle. His callow remarks showed his lack of wisdom. Can you think of a situation where you would use the word callow? Try making a sentence and write in the comments. 5. Brazen. Brazen. Brazen is an adjective and a verb. As adjective, brazen means bold and shameless. Brazen means bold and shameless. It was a brazen act of defiance. The thief made a brazen escape. She made a brazen attempt to lie. His brazen behavior shocked everyone. Her brazen attitude annoyed the teacher. Can you think of a situation where you would use the word brazen as an adjective? Try making a sentence and write in the comments. Brazen as a verb means to act boldly without shame. Brazen as a verb means to act boldly without shame. He brazened out the criticism. They brazened out the scandal. He brazened his mistake with a smile. He brazened his way into the meeting. She brazened through the interrogation. Can you think of a situation where you would use the word brazen as a verb? Try making a sentence and write in the comments. 6. Implore. Implore. Implore is verb. As verb, implore means to beg or ask someone earnestly. Implore means to beg or ask someone earnestly. She implored him to stay. He implored them to listen to him. The villagers implored the king for help. He implored his parents for forgiveness. She implored the doctor to save her child. Can you think of a situation where you would use the word implore? Try making a sentence and write in the comments. 7. Eminent. Eminent. Eminent is an adjective. As adjective, eminent means famous, respected, or important. Eminent means famous, respected, or important. He is an eminent scientist. The city invited an eminent speaker. The award went to an eminent artist. She is an eminent figure in literature. The eminent doctor saved many lives. Can you think of a situation where you would use the word eminent? Try making a sentence or write in the comments. 8. Navigate. Navigate. Navigate is a verb. As a verb, navigate means to find a way through a place. Navigate means to find a way through a place. He navigated the boat safely. He navigated the river with skill. We used a map to navigate the city. The pilot navigated through the storm. She navigated her way through the forest. Can you think of a situation where you would use the word navigate with this meaning? Try making a sentence and write in the comments. Another meaning of navigate is to deal with a difficult situation. Navigate means to deal with a difficult situation. He navigated office politics wisely. He navigated the challenges of school. She navigated the conversation carefully. They navigated through financial problems. She navigated through a tough job interview. Can you think of a situation where you would use the word navigate with this meaning? Try making a sentence and write in the comments. 9. Drudgery. Drudgery. Drudgery is a noun. As a noun, drudgery means hard, boring, and tiring work. Drudgery means hard, boring, and tiring work. Cleaning the house is pure drudgery. He hated the drudgery of office work. Cooking 3 meals a day is drudgery. She escaped the drudgery of daily chores. The workers complained about the drudgery. Can you think of a situation where you would use the word drudgery? Try making a sentence and write in the comments. 10. Eradicate. Eradicate. Eradicate is a verb. As a verb, eradicate means to completely remove or destroy. Eradicate means to completely remove or destroy. We must eradicate poverty. Vaccines help eradicate diseases. Scientists want to eradicate malaria. They try to eradicate crime from the city. The government aims to eradicate corruption. Can you think of a situation where you would use the word eradicate? Try making a sentence and write in the comments. That's the end of the practice session. Let's now read out loud a short story using all these words in a proper context. Title of the story: Lily's Journey to Confidence. Lily was an artist who loved painting landscapes. Every morning, she walked to a quiet lake near her house. The water had a tinge of blue and green, reflecting the trees around it. She always felt a tinge of joy when she sat by the water, listening to the birds. One day, a famous and eminent art collector visited Lily's town. He wanted to find new talent. Everyone talked about his arrival. Lily dreamed of showing him her work, but she was a callow artist with little experience. Will he like my paintings? She wondered. Determined, she carried her best painting to the town hall. The building was grand, but Lily felt nervous. Her movements were stilted as she walked through the crowd. She held the painting tightly, afraid someone might laugh at her work. Inside, the art collector stood near a table. He had a kind face and a warm smile. Lily took a deep breath and stepped forward. "Sir," she said, "I want to show you my work." Her voice was tinged with hesitation. The collector looked at the painting. It was a beautiful landscape of the lake with a soft tinge of pink in the sky. He smiled and said, "You have a great talent, but your colors are too safe. Art should be bold." Lily's heart sank. "Should I change my style?" she asked. The collector nodded. "Step out of your comfort zone. Be brazen with your colors. Try new things." Lily implored him, "Please guide me. I want to improve." Lily returned home and thought about his words. She decided to be bold. The next morning, she painted again. This time, she added bright oranges and deep purples to the sky. She tinged the trees with golden light. She worked for hours, determined to improve. After weeks of practice, she showed her new work to the collector. His eyes widened. "This is excellent," he said. "You have found your style." Excited, Lily continued painting. Soon, people in the town began to notice her art. She received invitations to display her work. Her confidence grew, and her movements were no longer stilted. She spoke with ease and joy. One day, the mayor invited Lily to an art exhibition. "Many eminent artists will be there," he said. "You should come." Lily agreed. She traveled to the city, carrying her best painting. The event was held in a grand hall, filled with people from different realms of life: artists, writers, and musicians. Lily felt nervous, but reminded herself that she had worked hard. At the exhibition, she met a young artist. He looked at her painting and asked, "How do you navigate the art world as a new artist?" Lily smiled. "I listen, I learn, and I take risks." The artist nodded. "I struggle with my work. It feels like drudgery sometimes." Lily understood. "I used to feel that way too. But when you love what you do, it doesn't feel like work." The exhibition was a success. Lily's paintings impressed many people. Even the art collector praised her growth. "You have eradicated your fear," he said. "Now you can go far." Lily beamed with happiness. She knew that success was not just about talent. It was about hard work, courage, and the willingness to improve. From that day on, she painted with confidence, knowing that each stroke of color told a story. End of story. That's all for this vocabulary practice session. Try incorporating these 10 words into your conversations this week to reinforce your learning. Bye for now.